Welcome back, ladies and gents, to the Masaki Scrapyard YouTube channel. I hope you all have had a blessed week so far, guys. Today we're going to be doing some engine codes. We're going to be focusing specifically on uh, VW, Volkswagen, or Volkswagen as some people know it, guys. We're going to be focusing on the Golf 1 engine and on the Golf 4 engine, guys. So the Golf 1 engine is a 1.4 AGY engine, and then the Golf 4 engine is a 1.6 AKL engine, guys. So on the Golf 1 specifically, you're going to be looking on the left hand side of your engine block, right beneath the cylinder head, almost all the way at the back. As you can see, I believe this is probably where the thermostat housing goes in. Just beneath it, guys, is a small rectangle shape on the block. And on that small rectangle shape, even though you guys can't see it properly now, there is an engine code carved in that says AGY. And if we actually look, it says 143349, guys. So the engine code is on this engine on the left hand side. If we go to the Golf 4 engine, which is a later model engine that came out, it's almost in the same place but not 100%, guys. So on the Golf 4 engine, on the side of your intake manifold, guys, if you go a little bit lower beneath where the cylinder head is sitting, right where your gearbox is attaching at the back. So on the left hand side, you go a little bit down from where the intake manifold is, you go to the bottom where the gearbox is attaching. Just on the left hand side, there's also a rectangle shape on the block, and in the rectangle shape you'll also see that the engine code is carved in there. You can't see it properly now because it's quite dirty, but that is where the engine code is situated, very close to the starter, in other words, guys, but just on the engine itself. So I hope you guys found that interesting. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.